Hi, I'm attorney Charlie Naegle of the Naegle law firm. I wanted to talk to you a little bit about DUI cases and getting arrested for a DUI. Oftentimes I have clients come into my office who were arrested and then released and didn't give an attorney or me a phone call for a couple of weeks. And by that time, a lot of the things that happened that night are not fresh in their memory. I'm going to advise you, if this ever happens to you, if you're ever put in this situation, that as soon as you're released from custody, once they do a blood test or a breath test, they should release you from the police department, not take you into custody. There's certain situations where they do take individuals into the jail, but most often you're released from custody. And I advise my clients that at that point in time, once you're released, to write everything down. Put your memory as it's fresh in your mind on paper. Where did you come from? Where were you going? If you truly did have some drinks, how much did you have to drink? Witnesses that may have been available, that may have been in the car when you were pulled over. These are all things that are definitely important. How the officer behaved, his demeanor, what the things that he said to you, may have said to you, may not have said to you, your request for an attorney and his denial of that. All these things we feel important that you write down, that you can reiterate that to us, so that we have some further documentation of what happened that night besides the police report. The officer is going to write a report, and it is going to be one-sided. It's going to be from his perspective on what occurred, and nothing in that report is going to be from your perspective. In fact, oftentimes, most of the time, I have clients read through a police report and tell me, this didn't happen, this didn't happen, this didn't happen, and because it's all one-sided from the officer's perspective. That's why we feel it's important that you write things down and call us as quickly as possible so that we can go through that with you and start preparing a defense for you in these cases. Our number is 480-378-9000. Very easy to memorize. Program it in your phone. Give us a call as soon as you can.